Today we're going to talk about mixing. That's a pretty big subject actually, and I'm sure it's one that interests a lot of people. As I've been in this industry a long time, I can actually go back to the days when we literally recorded on 1/4-inch tape and everybody played together. We didn't have any chance of remixing at all. There was no really such thing as mixing. We were called balance engineers, and we would literally balance the sound as we went along. It was like making a live recording, really, straight down to 1/4-inch tape. If we wanted to record the backing and then add a vocal to it afterwards, we literally played it back off one 1/4-inch tape machine while adding the vocals to another 1/4-inch tape machine, still mixing it together as we went. So my, how times have changed. So I guess for me, mixing really has never been quite the problem that it has, because I've grown up with the way that it's evolved. Now of course we can go up to 100 and 120 tracks. It's almost limitless, but the same rules apply really, that we have to, when we're mixing, have to have an idea of how we want the finished product to sound. What's our realization for it when we've got it done? We've got to have that sort of feeling. Hopefully we've listened to